Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in the state of Alabama. This is going to be like a walkthrough tutorial. So I'm going to show you on my computer screen at the same time you do it on yours. It's going to be like a 5-minute process. So click the link in the description below. That way you can follow along with me and not miss any steps along the way. So again, click that link and let's just get right into it. So it's going to take you to Tailor Brands website. Oops. And I like using Tailor Brands because pretty much everything business related is right here on this page. So let's start by clicking Alabama. And now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure that it's available for an LLC in your state. So I do eyelash extensions on the go. And what stage are you currently in? Just click what applies for you. And you guys, as far as an industry, they have tons of options. Look, this is just the letter E. So you can more than likely find a category you fall into, and you're gonna click if you sell a good or a service or both. This is asking if you're planning to hire employees. Even if you change your mind later on and let's say you don't have employees and then you hire some employees, it's fine. It's not gonna affect your LLC status at all. And you can type in your home zip code if you don't have a storefront zip code. And then you guys click all that apply here as far as you're serving customers online, at a shopper store, or on the go. Now today I want you to click LLC so it's highlighted in blue, and also EIN so it's highlighted in blue. And your EIN number is essentially like the social security number of your business. So you're gonna need it when you file your taxes, you're gonna need it if you open a business credit card or business bank account. So at some point, down the line, probably within this year, you're gonna need your EIN number. And like I said, I like Tailor Brands because they just offer everything right here. So if I needed a license or a logo made, I could just click anything else that they have to offer. This is a survey we can skip, and we discovered Tailor Brands through YouTube. Tailor Brands is offering you a free 12-week business coaching program. It's free, so I'm all about free. If it's something that can help me make more money, maybe I learned something that I apply to my business. So I'm gonna take it. If you wanna skip it, that's up to you. And now you can type in your personal information. And create a password. And again, they're asking, do you want Tailor Brands to help you get your EIN number, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you choose to do it on your own, you can. You can go through the IRS website. For me personally, I don't like dealing with government websites. I feel like they're really outdated and difficult to navigate, in my opinion. And you can only do it Monday through Friday on the IRS website for whatever reason. To me, $99 to have Tailor Brands do it for me, save me the headache and taking one more thing off my to-do list. Amazing. So I'm going to click this. And as far as assigning a registered agent, so a registered agent is basically a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail in regards to your business LLC. So if you live in Alabama and you're filing your LLC and opening your business in Alabama, you're going to be your own registered agent. You can click that option here. The only time this might not apply is if you live in some other state and you're opening a business in Alabama, then you would need to appoint someone that lives in Alabama. But most of you guys watching are going to be the option here. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. So what happens if you forget to do it? They'll warn you a few times and then you'll have to pay a bunch of late fees and fines and all that stuff we don't want to pay for, right? So if you think you might forget to do it, you have a lot going on with your business, totally understandable. Tailor Brands can redo it and renew it for you every single year for $199. If you want to try to save some money and you can remember to do it, you can click this option here. And I'm going to click no on a branding toolkit. For $49, we can get our LLC in just 2 days. That's up to you. And you don't need an operating agreement, so click I'll figure it out myself. I'm going to skip on the formation kit. And definitely a service to consider if you're really trying to level up your business. Tailor Brands has a service that they will get you super organized with your finances, your bookkeeping, your invoices, so you know where every single cent is going. And you guys, I highly recommend to check it out. It has a free trial and they give you some price plans at the end. If you want to level up, like I said, or your business is growing really fast, I would definitely consider it. If you don't want to do it, that's fine, and you can manage the books and invoices on your own. And let's get notified about our LLC. Now, there's no point to pay anything extra. Let's save all that money for our business. So we're just going to click this light plan here. And now it's going to give us a breakdown of what we're paying for. So the Alabama state filing fee for an LLC is $236. That's just the mandated state filing fee. We're getting that free coaching program, and we're paying $49 for that 2-day expedited filing. Now, after you pay this full amount, later on when they file your EIN number, then you'll be charged the $99. So don't be surprised when you see that. That's just them doing part 2 of the 2 steps. So now we're going to pay. After you pay, it's going to ask for what address you want to use. Like I mentioned, I'm mobile. I don't have a storefront, so I always use my home address for any LLCs that I file. And I've never had like any issues with junk mail, spam mail, anything like that. It's literally just for them to have on file in case they need you for something in regards to your LLC. So like I said, if you're mobile or maybe you're selling online, you don't have a storefront, highly recommend you use your home address. But if you do have a storefront, you can use that address as well. That's it, you guys. We're completely done. You just filed your LLC and EIN number. If you have questions, leave them below. I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.